Today we're going to be talking about how to build a schedule in SCION's HT3 software. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously open your HT3 software on your PC. Once that's open, you've got two options of how we can build a schedule. You can press this button here, so click, and it will bring up this window. The other option is you go to File, New, Schedule, and it will bring up the same window. Now once this window is open, what you want to do is you want to press the three dots under Method, and it will bring up all the methods you have saved on your PC. We'll just click any method here, open, and we now have the first line filled. Now what we can do now is fill in as many lines as we need for how many vials that we're going to run. So we just press the down button on your keyboard. So we say we have 5 vials, we now have 5 lines, and you can see here they all have the method filled in. For example, here it's a loop method, and that is everything ready to go with our schedule. Now, what we can do now is if we want to run the schedule straight away, we can make it active and we can save it under any name. So for today, I will do it as under test 01, and we'll just save that there. And we can see that has now been named, and it now says active schedule. What we now need to look out for is over here on the right hand side, under schedule, it'll change to our name once it's ready, as you can see now. So we can now see our method now matches the one that is in our schedule. Schedule is the name of our schedule that we've selected. Schedule line, you can see there's 1 of 5, and there's 5 vials that we have in our schedule here. So that means the schedule's been uploaded to HT3 and it's now getting the parameters ready.